video. Today's video is gonna be about many different types of handstands. So I'm gonna show you different types of handstands and I'm gonna tell you how to do them. So before you start doing anything, of course you have to be able to do a normal handstand. And if you can't do a normal handstand, then definitely watch my video about it and learn it, and then you can come back here and learn more. I'm gonna have my legs crossed and both will be bent. The second type will be a half split handstand. So it looks like this. All you have to do is first you have to go to a split and then you have to bend one of the legs and that's it. So I would say this is the easiest type. I know because it's so easy to balance. Well, it's not that easy to balance, but it's much easier than in other types. So if you want to balance, I recommend that one. The next type of handstand I'm gonna show you is a handstand in a straddle. So all you have to do is you have to do a straddle in the air, and it's really good to do it next to something like a sofa so you can put your head near it and then it's so much easier to balance. Or you can also try to stand on your own. Ta-da! As you can see, my handstand is a very inconsistent, so sometimes I can stay for a longer period of time and sometimes I just stay for 2 seconds and then I fall. All of that is because I don't practice enough. If I practice more, then I would get it, but I just don't feel like it's my goal to do it. I have other stuff to do, so I don't do it, but I promise you, if you try a lot, you will get there. So the next type of handstand is gonna be a split handstand. Then you can try to bend both legs when doing a split. Then you can try to do your bad leg split and then go to middle split and go to your better leg split and then go down. I'm gonna try to do it, but I don't know if I will be able to. Let's just see. The next handstand will be a Mexican handstand with bent legs. And the last type of handstand I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start to do it as a cartwheel, but I'm gonna stop there and just try to hold my handstand. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope it helped you. If you want to see more tutorials, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell so then you will be notified every time I post a new video. And hope to see you next time. Bye!